Well, hello everybody and welcome to Commercial Truck Training. We are doing a special on-location shoot today, shooting a couple of videos.
Pre-hurricane.
This is the first, right. That is one of the reasons why we're out here, is because this view might look different at some point next week, right?
Oh, absolutely. About 10 inches of rain.
Yeah.
Well,
and as usual, the PGA Tour is draining the lake behind us. But the other reason we wanted to shoot it out here was because the last time we did, we introduced what's become a special event in its very first iteration. Now this will be the third one, and that is the West Coast Ultimate Boot Camp with our friends from Work Truck Solutions.
here we go.
They are the host, and this year we are going to be going back there. It's actually taken place this month.
Yes.
The last 2 years we've had to back it up a little bit, and we're getting some help from another industry partner, that being Commercial Van Interiors, that's actually going to provide the host facility for us. So before we give the dates and all that, why don't you talk about how this event has grown throughout the years?
Oh, it's just absolutely amazing. And we keep refining it and refining it for our audience. Because things are changing in the commercial and fleet world as we speak. In fact, I'm giving a talk next week, actually, at a truck club. And we're going to talk about, what you're going to have to do to prepare going forward in 2019 and 2020. And we've really adapted our Ultimate Boot Camps on what's happening right now, from our sales process to a lot of the marketing stuff that Will's going to be covering as well. And we've introduced a new service to kind of, I hate to say take advantage, but allow support for our dealerships so they can know what to do as far as what I call the new world of marketing for commercial and fleet.
Yeah, really paid attention to some new ways that can help dealerships grow when some of the other aspects aren't readily available to them and stuff like that. Our various marketing materials, got some generals. This is a folder that we helped with McGrath put together, and then got a couple of various brochures here that we've all had a hand in or done that we're starting to get into a lot. So just really a kind of a well-rounded, wholesome approach to helping departments grow, and then taking it back into this event, right?
Absolutely, yeah, because it's call it the one-stop shop, Will. I mean, we want to be all things to our customers, all things to the commercial and fleet world, and the support that we can provide when we go into dealerships on our 6-month consulting programs, as well as our boot camps, all the different things that we offer. We really want to hit home runs and provide the best service possible, just as you want to do to your customers.
Right. So taking that approach, everything included in it, and adding, of course, our usual stuff where we will give out, now that we've got them back, finally, the personality style selling cards. Don't know why it took us so long, but it's kind of a unique printing job, and the usual flash drives as well. The Ultimate Boot Camp, the West Coast Ultimate Boot Camp, hosted by Work Truck Solutions at Commercial Van Interiors, will take place in Union City, California, which is just southeast of Oakland, and just northeast of San Jose. Union City, California, November 4th to the 6th, 2019. Usual time slots for us, the 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. the first 2 days, and 8 a.m. to noon the last day. And I'm really excited about this one. I love going out there every single year. I hope we keep it rolling, and it's always a lot of fun, and we've got plenty of space available. Commercial Van Interiors has provided a great room, and just really looking forward to it, so we hope you can join us.
Yeah, and those two partners are just critical to us. Commercial Van Interiors has been a long-term partner with our boot camps from Southern California right up to the present. They do an incredible job as far as providing the upfit services for the dealers that we work with, and they're one of our favorite partners. And Work Truck Solutions, a long-term relationship. I've been on site at that location, actually helped and trained their people and work with them very carefully. What an incredible product they provide with their online services. It's just absolutely amazing. We've seen, Will, brand new people, porters even, who have converted over to the sales side, who have done a phenomenal job by taking advantage of this product. And the key I always say is you have to use it. I mean, you don't just let it sit there. You have to be proactive in getting back out to prospects and growing it. And it is a tremendous tool.
Yeah, Absolutely. And special thanks too to Juliet at Work Truck Solutions and Gail at Commercial Van Interiors too for helping us make this happen one more time. So
Absolutely.
again, November 4th through the 6th, our West Coast Ultimate Boot Camp hosted by Work Truck Solutions at Commercial Van Interiors in Union City, California. We hope to see you guys there.